Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Drive. Once signed in, make a simple folder hierarchy because organization saves time later. Create folders for work, personal, and archives. Then check storage availability so you know limits and when to upgrade. Once done, enable offline mode in settings if you need files without internet. Make sure to install backup and sync or Drive for desktop to streamline uploads and syncing across your devices. You upload by dragging files or using new file upload. For large batches, use Drive for desktop to sync continuously. Once files are in Drive, organize with folders, color labels, and stars so priority items stand out. Consistent naming helps search. When sharing, choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor and set link restrictions to control access. After sharing, notify collaborators and assign deadlines in comments. Make sure to use version history to restore edits if something changes unexpectedly. You finish by confirming permissions, syncing all recent edits, and cleaning up duplicates to conserve storage. Once finalized, use version history to label stable versions and export important files as PDFs for distribution. If collaborators report missing files, check activity and sharing settings. Restore deleted items from trash within 30 days. If synchronization stalls, sign out, clear browser cache, and restart Drive for desktop to force a fresh sync. This common fix resolves most upload or permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.